Why can't I see? I feel like I can't see at all. Like,
hey, welcome back to Gill Complex on the Road. If you can't tell by that last clip, well, we're replacing the Victron Solar Charge Controller on our Alliance Paradigm 310RL. Why? Well, stay tuned to find out.
Raise a toast to the moments that we share with our fluffy co-pilots. Love fills the air. From quirky roadside stops to the view so grand. Life's better together, hand in hand, oh man.
Before we left for the National Rally, we realized that actually we noticed it when we were at TTO, Thousand Trails Orlando. We were starting to have issues with it. And we noticed that our charge controller wasn't working consistently. And then we had Mark Page with Unplugged Solar, I'll put their logo right here, troubleshooted with us. And then he wanted to confirm, so when we got to the rally, he took a look at it, and sure enough, the Victron controller had gone bad. So we had another one ordered. It took a couple weeks, but Alliance confirmed it was a warranty issue and talked to Mark about it, and they sent us one. So now Larry is attempting to move the wires one by one from the old controller into the new one. And as he does it, hopefully everything will hook up pretty easy. Ooh, that one's all done. So this is the old one. It's bad. We have to send it back actually for proof of warranty. So we'll send that one back to Alliance, and they'll send it back to Victron, or I think it goes to Victron. I don't know. Anyway, so Larry is now putting all the pieces back together. Biggest thing is what we had realized that these lights, when we first got the rig, they were on, then they went out. And we troubleshooted all different types of things and tried to get it to work, but it never would get power back. So we're hoping this will power up.
can you put your hand right there so that doesn't move?
Mm-hmm. Get in here. Where do you need it?
No, on the end, just on the top.
Oh, so the device itself doesn't move. Got it.
Yes. Okay.
I have now contributed. And I also need a haircut really bad. I think I'm going to shave my head tonight. Just deal with it. Down to a 1.
Hold that right there so it doesn't move. Bill, maybe you could air condition this area.
Hey Bill, got a question for you.
What would it cost to put an AC unit up here?
Is that all of them?
Now this little booger comes around here.
Oh.
Blinking blue, I don't know what that means. But where's the drill and why is the bit not it? Oh, it's right there. It's got the screw in it.
So the moment of truth. Oh, it sees it.
There it is.
Wow. It sees it on the app. It was all the lights went. Oh, there it goes. So it looks like it's working. All right. Yay, Mark, it's working.
I'll send you a bill. Actually, I can come work for you now.
Yeah, you could do these on all their installs now.
So the new solar controller is installed and working. We got it hooked up to the app. We did 2 updates, and then we talked to Mark Page, and he guided us through some settings that we needed to change that are specific to our battery and our rig. So it's good, and it's showing a little bit of solar. It's pretty gray here right now, so we're not getting a lot, but it is working.
And we'll get to see how it does when we're at the surf resort for the next week.
Yes.
Yay! All right.